Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel Beyond Headlines Current Affairs by Lakshmi. Our topic today is extension of AFSPA in parts of Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. So, what is AFSPA? AFSPA stands for Armed Forces Special Powers Act. This act was promulgated in 1958, and it gives special powers to the armed forces in the northeastern states, especially the states like Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland. If you look at these three states have the history of insurgents and also violent activities and violent struggles between the tribes that live there. So, if we first let us take the case of Manipur. In Manipur, this act was imposed for the first time in 1981, Manipur, and from then it has been imposed from time to time. And for the first time, it was relaxed in April 22 to April 24. But unfortunately, since the condition again deteriorated, it was reimposed in November 2024. So we all know what's going in Manipur currently. So there has been the conflict between the tribes that's happening, which is directly affecting the law and order situation. And many places have been brought under this armed forces Special Powers Act, and these places, almost 21 police stations in 5 districts of Manipur have been brought under this act. And as you all know, Manipur is already under president rule from February 25, and recently it has been extended for another 6 months. And this Armed Forces Act also has been extended for another 6 months, and it comes into force from October 2025. So that is the situation about Manipur. It is like actually an ironclad situation there, where people liberties are lessened to an extent, and that's because the government is trying to get things under control. So that is the reason. But yeah, it is affecting the rights of the people, and let us see how far this helps in restoring normalcy in Manipur, because neither the act nor the emergency constitutional emergency that has been imposed in Manipur can be carried for long. And the next case is with Nagaland. In Nagaland also the act has been almost there for 30 years because of the conflict between the tribes in the Nagaland, the Nagas and the Kukis. So again, the army has been provided with special powers to bring the situation under control and restore law and order in the state. And another state which suffers or which has the extension of AFSPA is Arunachal Pradesh. And even in Arunachal Pradesh, 13 police station areas and 9 districts have been included under this act. And what's actually happening with this act? So when armed forces use their Special Powers Act, they can use legal force without any permission from the central government. That is one thing. And they can arrest without a warrant, and also they can search without a warrant. So these are all, if not used cautiously, or will lead to a kind of situation where the human rights of the people will be affected. So that has to be kept in mind. And there is another problem also in these northern east states, that is insurgents, like illegal entry of people from Bangladesh and other countries, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and other countries. So that has to be kept in check. And Armed Forces Special Powers Act has been specifically designed to keep these things under check. So yeah, over the course there have been instances where this act has been misused, but yet this is kind of necessary to keep the law and order situation under control, so that the state can focus on other areas like development and things. But for restoration of democracy, first we have to look at bringing normalcy in Manipur, wherein democracy can prevail and president's rule can be lifted. So that's all about this one. Uh, so yeah, please like my channel, share my content, and subscribe to my channel. And please give your opinions in the form of comments. Thank you.